everyone. So today's day 2 here in Puerto Rico, and I think today we're going to be heading to El Yunque rainforest. Gonna be doing some like hiking, some trails there, and I think there's also some little waterfalls to see, stuff like that. So that's where we're heading now. We've arrived here in El Yunque. Really nice drive here, like through all the forests and stuff. Kind of reminded me of Costa Rica, where I was like at the start of the year, so that was nice. Check out this map. Where are we here? Yes, I think the two we're going to try and do is La Caca Falls and La Mina Falls. We just stopped at the side of the road because there's a viewpoint of one of the waterfalls here. So this is La Caca Falls. Check it out. Probably cross to get a bit closer. We ended up stopping again because there's another really nice viewpoint here. Got a really good view of the forest here, and there also seems to be a tower up here that I think you can go up, so we're going to climb that thing now. Yokahu Tower.
Morning.
Morning. Alright, what's this?
Oh, smoothie.
Smoothie. Nice. Free smoothie. Alright, free smoothie included. Ice cold. Delicious. So we have arrived at the top. Now check this out for a view. See the coastline all the way over there? Got cool 360 views here as well. Got these pretty awesome looking mountains in the shade right now. I didn't fly the drone in yesterday's video, but this is a perfect spot to fly it. Alright, so the trail that we was gonna do is closed because of Hurricane Maria. Here it just basically says, yeah, it's closed due to the aftermath, Hurricane Maria. Apparently all these trails are closed, so we gotta try and work out which ones we're gonna do right now. That's a lot of trails, that's like all of them. What we gonna do, Carol? I don't know either. One of the guys that works here just passed by and he told us some trails that are open, so we're gonna look for those. Juan Diego Creek. Let's do it, Carol. Look how awesome this looks already. Nature overload. I think we have arrived. What was that, Carol? 2-minute hike. Check it out. I think we were expecting like an hour trail, right? We can do another one, right? So you got a cool little waterfall here. Beautiful once again. Okay, so since that trail was only like 2 minutes, we're going to head, I guess, up the mountain to 2 other trails that the guy told us about. Gonna see if there's a bit more of a hike. We wanted to do at least like an hour hike or something today, so let's see if we find one. So now we're gonna do the second trail, and we're gonna head all the way to the top of this mountain here. There's a tower at the top. It's gonna take about 35 minutes. Mount Britain Tower Trail. So we spoke with one of the guards there, and this trail actually only opened today. So this is the first day that it's been open since Hurricane Maria, over a year ago. So you probably noticed already in yesterday's video and today, the devastation of that hurricane is quite clear, because like I said, it's been over a year, and you saw like knocked down buildings in yesterday's video, and then here the park hasn't recovered at all. So many trails shut down, so it's just insane. If you don't know what happened, so Hurricane Maria, I think it knocked out all the island's power generators. So at one point the whole island had no power, and then I think he said that like even after 5 to 6 months later, 75% of the island still had no power at all. So yeah, just insane. Can't imagine how that must have been for the people here. Crazy. We parked here and we've come all this way. The tower's there, but then we've just found out that we could have actually just parked here and walked up. Super hot, right?
No.
No? It's not super hot.
No.
No?
The water?
No, not the water, I mean the day. I was like, no? Really? We've made it to the tower. Let's see how the view is of this thing. As always, Puerto Rico flag. Check out this view. Got way better view from up here. Sea of palm trees. So really amazing views up there. I've been to rainforests in like Rio and Costa Rica before, but I've never been to one where it's just like all made from pretty much palm trees. Palm tree rainforest, pretty cool. And we are going to head to a beach now, so stick around if you're tired of seeing rainforests and you want to see how the beaches are here. Alright guys, so we've just come down to a really beautiful beach. This is called Luquillo Beach. It was only like 15-minute drive from Yunque, the national park, so really close. But this is way better than the 2 beaches that I went to in yesterday's video. I mean, look at this place. You got the palm trees, pretty clear sand as well. And over here, got some pretty beautiful water as well. Look at that color, really clear. So yeah, I always prefer these kind of beaches like deserted, so this one is perfect right now. And we're just gonna be chilling here for a few hours. What do you think of the beach?
Amazing.
It is, right?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Nice and peaceful. Oh, nice temperature. Pretty warm, right? Oh yeah. hopefully you enjoyed some of those drone shots. Looks super beautiful. And then when I was flying, I noticed there's like another little beach around the bay, which is where I'm at right now. So you can see over here, like, this is even more deserted. I'm not sure if this is still Luquillo Beach, but this one looks even more beautiful. Not a single person here at all. Yeah, it's a pretty amazing place, man. Seems like we got a river here actually. But I think we're able to cross it and go over there. Let's try that out. Alright, Carol, as always, when there's danger, you gotta go first. Sorry about that.
Thank you.
Take it away.
Best husband ever.
Yep, best husband. Super easy. So this is gonna be our little spot now. Almost seems like a lake, so relaxing here. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. Already shown quite a lot of the cool stuff that you can do. One of the cool things is from San Juan, all this stuff is fairly close, so you don't actually have to drive that much to get to these places. And you know where to come now if you want a really peaceful, just chill out beach, Luquillo, and just keep on walking and you'll get here. And tomorrow's going to be cool as well. We're going like off the beaten path, going to some places that aren't really, like tourists don't really go, more for I guess the locals. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be a cool day. It's a different part of Puerto Rico, so yeah, stay tuned for that one. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a like, subscribe if you like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.